Deep in the heart of whispering woods, a magical forest comes alive. Look at the ancient trees, the glowing mushrooms, and the sparkling brook. But wait, what's that? It's Whisper.
Sounds fascinating, doesn't it? Well, stick with me because, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create animated kids' story videos with AI for free, whether you're a complete beginner or an experienced creator. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be ready to make your own captivating animations for kids without spending a dime. Let's dive in. Step 1. Start with a great story. The heart of any kid's video is the story. To craft a compelling story, we'll use ChatGPT, a powerful AI tool. Don't worry if you don't have access to ChatGPT. You can also use Google Gemini, which works in a similar way and is completely free. Here's how to get started. Open ChatGPT. Here are the prompts that you can use to create your video. You also have access to video descriptions for these prompts. Copy the first prompt provided in the description and paste it. Create a list of 10 engaging story titles for kids that focus on popular themes, such as adventure, magic, animals, friendship, and learning. Look through the list of titles and pick the one you like best. For example, you might choose The Secret Life of Whisper, the Talking Fox. Next, copy it and paste it into text box. Before going forward, copy the second prompt from the description and paste it into text box to generate a complete story. This will include a script split into scenes, perfect for animation. Take your time with this step. A well-thought-out story filled with excitement and easy-to-follow scenes will keep your young audience engaged. For example, you can include twists like magical creatures, treasure hunts, or lessons about kindness and teamwork. Step 2. Create visual prompts. Once your story is ready, it's time to create visual prompts for the scenes. This is where ChatGPT shines again. Use the third prompt from the video description to generate detailed image descriptions for each scene. The AI will ensure that all characters and settings are consistent throughout the story. For example, if your story includes a talking fox guiding Mia and Jack through the forest, make sure its appearance stays the same in every scene. Consistency is key for creating professional-looking animations. Step 3. Generate images with Leonardo AI. Now let's bring the story to life with Leonardo AI, a fantastic tool for generating high-quality images. Go to Leonardo AI's website and log in using your Google account. You can also review image dimensions here to match your requirements. Copy the visual prompts generated by ChatGPT and paste them into the prompt box on Leonardo AI. Click Generate, and Leonardo AI will create 4 unique images for each scene. Amazing! Leonardo AI gave me quickly best version of cool and different images for creating different scenes. Choose the one that best matches your vision. To maintain a consistent style across all images, use the seed number feature. Copy the seed number from your chosen image and apply it to the advanced settings before generating the next set of images. This ensures that all scenes have the same artistic look and feel. Leonardo AI offers 150 free tokens daily, which is more than enough to create a short story. If you need more images, you can also check their affordable plans start at just $10 per month. Step 4. Animate your images with Hailuo AI. To turn static images into dynamic animations, we'll use Hailuo AI. This tool is incredibly beginner-friendly and provides 3 days of unlimited access for new users. Here's how to use it. Sign up for Hailuo AI and log in. Upload the images you generated with Leonardo AI. Add brief instructions for animation. For example, you could ask Hailuo AI to animate 3 friends are talking and wandering with a fox. Click Generate, and within minutes, your images will transform into stunning animated clips. Repeat this process for each scene. During the free trial, there's no limit to the number of animations you can create. However, keep in mind that free animations will include a watermark. To remove it, you'll need to switch to a premium plan. Step 5. Edit and finalize your video with CapCut. Now it's time to bring everything together. CapCut is a free video editing tool that's perfect for this step. Upload your animated clips to CapCut and arrange them in the correct order. Add smooth transitions between scenes to create a seamless viewing experience. Enhance your video with background music or sound effects. CapCut offers a library of royalty-free audio tracks to choose from. If you have a voiceover script, record it, or use a text-to-speech tool like 11 Labs. This tool makes it easy to generate natural-sounding voiceovers. Simply paste your script, select a voice, and download the file. To make your video more engaging, consider adding captions. This not only improves accessibility, but also helps viewers follow the story more easily. Here's a quick tip for dealing with watermarks on your videos. If the watermark is visible in your clips, you can remove it during editing by zooming in slightly and adjusting the frame. This way, the watermark gets cropped out and your video still looks clean and professional. It's a simple trick, but works like a charm. Step 6. Export and share your video. Once everything looks perfect, export your video in high resolution. 1080p is ideal for platforms like YouTube. Then upload it to your channel or social media. Don't forget to include a catchy title and description to attract viewers. And there you have it.
Deep in the heart of whispering woods, a magical forest comes alive. Look at the ancient trees, the glowing mushrooms, and the sparkling brook. But wait, what's that? It's Whisper, the clever fox, standing proud and ready to share her world of wonder.
You've just created a fully animated kids' story video from scratch using free AI tools. With some creativity and a bit of practice, you can make engaging content that kids will love. Imagine the possibilities, from sharing heartwarming stories to starting your own animation channel. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment below. Your support helps us create more valuable content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.